Following a severe rainstorm that struck Bimbilla and its surrounding communities in the northern region, families whose buildings were completely destroyed find themselves without shelter. Some have sought refuge with relatives and friends, while others are forced to use makeshift structures. They are seeking support from the Municipal Assembly, charitable organizations and individuals. Our northern regional correspondent, Mohammed Aminu M. Alabira, provides additional details.
More than 24 hours have passed since the devastating rainstorm wreaked havoc on Bimbilla and its environs. The storm left over 500 houses in ruins and countless lives shattered. Amidst the hardship, some victims struggle to rebuild their lives, whilst others face despair, finding solace only in the company of loved ones or makeshift shelters beneath the trees. Citi News conducted interviews to gauge how victims are coping with the aftermath. Families shared their struggle, citing the inability to repair their homes and pleading for assistance from the Municipal Assembly and philanthropic individuals and groups. Some families, particularly women and children, found refuge in makeshift shelters, whilst men utilized mosques for accommodation, taking advantage of the month of Ramadan. The assemblyman for Subri electoral area, one of the hardest hit regions, highlights sleepless night and joins the chorus for urgent support.
As we speak, the people are suffering a lot. They don't have where to sleep. Some of them are now sleeping with their relatives. Others are sitting under a tree, and others will go and sleep inside the school buildings. So I'm totally disturbed, and the people too are suffering. And we call for Assembly. Assembly said they are handicapped. As of now, they don't have anything. So we are now appealing to NGOs, philanthropists, well-meaning Ghanaians to come to the aid of these people. You can see them under the trees. All the building is roofed off. They don't have where to sleep, and they are suffering. So we are appealing to government, we are appealing to NGOs, philanthropists to come to their aid.
In addition, residential areas, educational institutions like Al Bayan Junior High School suffered the damage. Teachers expressed concern that without immediate action from the assembly, the quality of education will be compromised.
It's very unfortunate that this is happening at this time of the academic term. Soon we are beginning the rain season. Children already we are confronted with some problems with the furniture. And now this thing happened. So it's really heavy. But we want to call on some and the benevolent organizations, seasoned politicians, to bring our MP to come to our aid. Because very soon the rainy season is starting. And we cannot live under this condition. Teaching and learning under this environment actually to go down, to slow down all the activities.
The municipal chief executive acknowledged the challenge, citing the lack of resources and awaiting fund for relief efforts.
I am in one of the houses that were affected yesterday. As you can see, this house is completely ripped off, and inmates here are now living with families and friends. They say they have nowhere to go than to go out and beg for shelter somewhere. For Citi News, Mohammed Aminu M. Alabira, reporting from Bimbilla.